This video is one in a series of videos highlighting the misconceptions students have with respect to whole number operations. This particular video deals with an inappropriate understanding of the concept of carryover or regrouping in multiplication problems. The concept of carryover or regrouping is an important one for students to understand so that calculations with larger numbers can be carried out correctly. Our data has shown that students make a line of common errors when it comes to the concept of carryover. It would be helpful to keep these errors in mind while working on such problems so as to prevent these from becoming too widespread. The following question was asked to about 2,500 students of class 3 and 4 in a detailed assessment test. They were asked to find the product of 93 and 8. About 54% of the students selected the correct option, that is option B, 744. 20% of the students selected option C, which is 924. There are two possible reasons why this may be happening. Firstly, it is possible that students remember to carry over the 2, but add this 2 only to 7 and not to 72, getting 9 instead of 74. It is also possible that students multiply 8 and 3 to get 24 and then merely bring down the 9. Another common wrong answer seems to be option A, that is 724. About 19% of the students selected this option. It is possible that students selected this because they forgot to add the carried over digit to 72. Similar questions have been asked in MindSpark as well. For example, in this question, students were asked to find the product of 45 and 2. Out of the 10,700 students that answered this question, 62% got it correct. About 22% of the students answered 810, possibly because they forgot to carry over or were unaware of the fact that they had to do so. So these students multiplied 2 and 5 to get 10 and then 2 and 4 to get 8, entering an answer of 810. These examples go to show that the concept of carryover is something that a significant number of students get incorrect. To summarize, let's look at this problem, 56 into 2, and illustrate the errors that students could be making. Students occasionally add the carried over digit to the wrong number. So for example, in 56 multiplied by 2, students first multiply 6 into 2 to get 12. They carry over the 1. Now, when they multiply 5 into 2 to get 10, chances are that students will add the 1 to 1 instead of to 10, getting 202 as the answer. Another common error is that students may forget to carry over the 1, getting an answer of 1012 by multiplying 6 into 2 and then 5 into 2. Some students may remember to regroup the 12, but while multiplying 5 into 2 may forget to add the 1 to this product, getting an answer of 102. Although rare, it is possible that students multiply the 6 into 2 to get 12 and then merely bring down the 5 to get an answer of 512. An effective way to prevent or address such errors would be to stress on why regrouping or carrying over is done and not just focus on the procedural part of how it is done. This can be done by using the method that is generally introduced to teach multiplication of a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number as shown on the screen. In this way, it can clearly be seen why the carried over number exists and where it has to be added. Students can be made aware of the fact that the method we use to solve single-digit multiplication problems is just a quicker and easier way of doing the same. If students understand the why behind carryover or regrouping, they will be less likely to forget it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped.